Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban pensuk ya gipai ba nong kan show pisa ka Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India ya ka balatip ru kum ka ICICI Bank haga khat santerik urisau arjar khat khandai kala plepai ba sakawai katna trekam hak shnong Nongpoh ka badana Bhoi district. Ya kani kisna trekam jong ka ICICI Bank la play pai ba da ka Deputy Commissioner jong Bhoi district ka kong RM kurba ka balalong ka kongsan hakaba lai don langru u Regional Head jong ka ICICI Bank u Sushanta Nayak u Branch Manager jong ka ICICI Bank Nongpoh u Sekhar Tapa bat kiwai ki nong tre jong ka tega bank.
It's an auspicious program, especially it's a growth for your bank to have a new branch. And having chosen Nongpoh as the headquarter of this district, I believe there's a lot of potential in this area. Especially we have a lot of it's an agro-basis district. As I'm saying that, I would request ICICI to kindly look into the agri sector, Icici loan and all those kind of things. Yes. Because that is where we have your credit linkage. We need your help for that. Okay, and we have been reviewing in the SLFC, and you know very well the position. Yeah. So I would request that we make a change here. The style of working here should be changed. It should be like more pro farmer. Since he's one of your customers representing the concerned department, he would be there to guide you and help you. Kindly look into that sector. That is my request from us. And I wish all of you all the best.